Thóg Albannach Lucy Coutts boghinn thoiseach a sé a piúd éic in gáil páirst. Bhn nuair sin ha ar glúas an suas tro rankin na hoigtí de boghadairach, so you trainach sa farpaseach malarí se Coutts obair scoile.
I would say growing up I did a lot of different sports. There wasn't one particular sport that I did, and then when I found archery that kind of became the particular sport that I did. It's a bit of a strange journey. We were away on holiday in Bulgaria when I was younger, and it was just one of the activities that we could do while we were over there. And we tried it and my sister really got into it. So when we came home we found a local club. She started and then a few months later I started, and then it just grew from there. There wasn't really a point, I just kind of kept on growing what I was doing. We've got a local competition, you started doing that and then the competitions just got bigger and bigger. You know, there's definitely times in the year when it's a lot quieter, so we're not having to do as much training. But then in the summer you could be training every day, it's quite busy and hectic.
Ha Lucy faighinn na chiad gach bliadhna, ach sam an 2000 sa fichead sa jaar boghinn aithneach agus mór. Geamaichean Lucy beach ancient láidir a leisach an an boghadairach, mar a bheith a cútarmach a bhí a farpais fó ólach.
I think definitely in the last year I've been really happy with how I've progressed. I've been busy with exams, so I've kind of not put any pressure on how I would do in archery and enjoyed it a lot more, and I've done a lot better. So I'm quite happy with how I've progressed. I think just my outlook on it, I've looked more at enjoying it and not just looking at success. With archery you have to be able to thrive well under pressure. It's definitely something I prefer when I've got a bit more pressure on me. It just seems to calm me a bit more and I'll just be shooting a bit better. I don't know if it's just you think, oh, there's a lot more riding on your shots, so all the wee things go out of your head and you're just focused. I think when you get to a certain point in archery, it all goes to mental strength and it can really make or break a competition.
Ha Lucy tangle ar na thula eolas a thuir bhí éice tro tlí spórs. Agus ha find taich fór teolach, if he's a show quality ar son farpasin.
Travelling to competitions is really fun. At the moment my parents take me to competitions, and you've got my mum and I chatting the whole way down, singing, and it's a lot of fun, and you're going down to meet up with your friends that live all across the country, and that's a really nice experience. The amount of friends and different places that I've seen has been amazing.
She bliadhna mór a hawn an 2000 sa fichead sa trí ar son Lucy, le grún choarpis an éice dheicir. Ma hai sarf chul únta, bhíad na jo chuide chuí na Oilimpeach Erin. Targad a harfi éice úne ata, le Albannach gunnavíar a hug ar son boghadairach ar son córas da dheicid.
Well, we've got a couple of indoor competitions. We've got the Scottish Championships, a kind of local area competition that's coming up, and then outdoor seasons we've got the junior tour, so that's around the UK, the British Championships. That'll be really nice. Although I hope I'm not the first one to change it. We've got a couple of other Scottish athletes which could be making it to the next Olympics, which would be really nice. I think for everyone that's their dream, and that, you know, whatever sports you're in, everyone wants to reach the Olympics, so it'd be a dream come true to make it.
Ha Lucy ar son gun fas I bhai boghadairach an ALBA. Agus ha noch is barrachd éicin san spórs.
I think it's just trying to get more people aware of the opportunities that you've got in archery. It's such a friendly sport, it's just really nice to be involved in that. Archery is one of the sports that as a female gives you a feeling of empowerment at the end of the day as a weapon, but the amount of just kind of strength and power you feel from being able to shoot is great.
I bharach na Geamaichean Oilimpeach Erin, ha Lucy cuideach a gamas stref rangan an tuil. Stocha go bhfuil a clíad a táiseach, ach ha tangle is na thula cealathach spórs hí.
Well, this year's been quite a busy year for me outside of archery, so it's mainly just to enjoy myself and have fun. Olympics is definitely in there, but it's quite a few years down the line. It's just continuing up my ranks in Britain, which would be really nice. It's been amazing. I've had, since about 2019, I've really had some good shoots and I've really enjoyed it, and I've met so many nice people that I'm just forever grateful for it.